Hey, yeah, so recently I have experienced Cordelia Cruises from Mumbai to Goa back to Mumbai. So, in this vlog, I'm going to cover cruise tour, what all activities are there, room details, Wi Fi upgradation, bridge tour, how we did the bookings, food and restaurant, amenities, Goa tour, and much more. So, stay tuned. Stop. There's a surprise for you. So, last tak dekhna mat bhulna. Hi. So we have entered the check-in area. We have already checked in and I got the keys. मेरे को keys मिल चुकी है. And on the count of 3, मैं आपको cruise दिखाने वाली हूँ. So 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Oh my god, amazing. अगर आपके पास बहुत ज़्यादा luggage भी है, तो there are certain people who can assist you with the luggage. So now we are entering the cruise. Namaste. Hey, so welcome to Cordelia Cruises. I mean, look at this. कितना ज़्यादा बड़ा है ये cruise. It has 10 decks. So I am in the lobby. You have guest services over here. जहाँ पे आप आपके रूम से रिलेटेड क्वेरी, आपको फ्री अपग्रेडेशन कराना है, आपको वाईफाई के लिए रिचार्ज कराना है, they will help you out. And now on the deck 6 you have this royal shops for shopping, you have casino, and you have many things over here. This is the lobby and so I'm entering into my room. Oh my god, this is so cool and so lovely. So I've booked the ocean room where I get this window. Isn't that amazing? So let's get into the room's details. And so there are 3 categories of the room. First is the interior one, where आपको ये window नहीं मिलेगा. Second is the ocean and third is the lavish, super lavish chairman rooms. तो हम लोगों ने ocean view book किया है. So look, let's see क्या क्या include है. It's a life jacket, hangers. It's a pretty cozy room, but it's very nice. So locker hai, again hangers. My best and favorite spot. We then have water bottles, tissue papers. Okay, there's a mini TV as well. Nice. And then it's a washroom. But the best part is this window. So you get this brochure every day from the crew members. So it become easy कि आपको पता चलता है कि activity कौन से time पे क्या क्या चल रहा है. Everything is mentioned here. So while roaming around the cruise, make sure the keys and the brochures are with you. So the thing is, अगर आप जल्दी आते हो before 2:30 you will get the lunch because इनका checking start हो जाता है around 12. So you will get the lunch and I know the food is amazing here. So let's try it out. Try करने गई and look क्या मिला मेरे को. I can't have lunch. So we are on the 10th floor. Let's see हमको मिलता है कि नहीं खाना. So there are 2 restaurants on the cruise. First is on the 4th floor and second is on the 10th floor, where you can eat as much as you can and as many time as you want. You can get your breakfast, lunch, high tea, dinner and midnight snacks, and these all are inclusive in your packages. Also you can accommodate 4 people in a room. एक रूम में 4 लोग भी आ सकते हैं हैवानों जैसे. Oh my god, what are you doing? Say hi.
Hello.
So there is a lot to explore in this cruise. I mean, this cabins are perfect for your picture. आप बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे pictures ले सकते हो. Then we have ocean images photo gallery. Then you have sports. You have bar section. You have casino. You have everything there. So I'm on my way to explore cruise with my master. So you can get your pictures clicked by professional photographers. I am on the 6th floor and 6th floor is so huge. So you can see, and this is the front area of the cruise and ये बहुत ज़्यादा खुफिया है, बहुत ज़्यादा ढूंढने पे मिलेगा. So मुझे एक चीज़ काफ़ी अच्छी लगी कि इन्होंने लिफ्ट में ही सारा इन्फॉर्मेशन दिया है कि कौन से डेक पे क्या है. ऑल्सो सेफ्टी का पूरा ध्यान रखते हुए दे हैव अरेंज अ सेफ्टी ड्रिल ऑन द डे फर्स्ट ओनली. बहुत ही ज़्यादा पब्लिक है स्विमिंग पूल में. So as you can see, evening में everybody is accessing the swimming pool. Then we had high tea there. Then we have top platform over here. And yeah, we are ready to sell.
Please come on the floor, everyone. Yes, we need some more people on the floor. Come on.
So there are a lot of games which are happening on this cruise in different areas. So हम लोग अभी है एक रूम में जहाँ पे we are going to play damsharaj. On the upper side it's a board game which is happening. हम लोग आज damsharaj खेलने वाले हैं. So even if you can see that they have arranged kids activity daily so that parents can enjoy the whole time. So we started selling और आज मेरे मासू और नानू का बर्थडे है. So stay tuned for the celebration. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Now we have came for dinner and I have taken everything which was there on. सब कुछ ले लिया मैंने. बहुत ज़्यादा घूमी हूँ. You can check it out. बहुत ज़्यादा ऑप्शंस और बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा फूड है. बचना है हसीनों आ गया. Hey, it's 2 a.m. and we are still awake. I don't know कहाँ से दिखना है मुझे. How you can see me? Sorry, what's this? ओके मैं बस यही बताना चाहती थी कि मैंने लेट तक के जाग कर भी यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा एंटरटेनमेंट वाली चीज़ है जो यू कैन डू. Hey yeah, so finally I'm on my bed. It was hilarious. The best experience I had. Also just one thing, बस सिर्फ इंटरनेट का बहुत ज़्यादा इशू हो रहा है. That is the thing. I did not buy any Wi-Fi because I am on my stay vacation, so I just want to be a little away from mobile so that I can enjoy rest of the things. क्योंकि वरना मैं सारा दिन posting live ये वो करते रहती. But I'm really enjoying it. And tomorrow we are reaching Goa around 12:30. So अब जाती हूँ सोती हूँ. And also I went to casino. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा हार के हूँ तो I am very disappointed. अब बचा रही सोने. Bye. बाकी कल करेंगे बात. Good morning. If you are भुलक्कड़ like me और आप चीज़ें खो देते हो तो make sure your key is attached to your phone case. Now this is what I was living for. सुबह बहुत सारे एक्टिविटीज़ थी यहाँ पे, योगा, जुम्बा, but as usual I'm a lazy girl, so मैं भी जा रही हूँ ब्रेकफास्ट करने. और ये भाई साहब हमारे रॉक क्लाइंबिंग करते हुए. So you'll find this rock climbing on the deck 10. Vishal is ready to climb. Vishu, wow! Now at the center of the dome we have gym. Hi. So we have Yash who is working out here. Hi, yeah. So we have almost all the gym equipments here. You can gym and the ocean view.
ये देखो वजन देखो इसका साहब का।
पतली लकड़ी सॉरी लड़की उठा रही है 15 का वजन है, देखा हमको तो मालूम था। बस ये होशियारी है आप लोगों को दिखाने की, कुछ नहीं करती है, मैं बता रहा हूँ।
I'm just trying it out. वेट भारी रहा।
यहाँ मैं बोला 5 का वजन उठा, नहीं बस 15 का मेरे को दिखाना है, 5 का नहीं उठा सकती।
क्यों दिखाना है, यूट्यूब पे क्या?
हाँ
वही तो सीन है।
ये सब दूर से देखो गोवा दिख रहा है। जैसे ही आप नियर शोर पहुंचोगे आपका नेटवर्क आ जाएगा। Day 2 and your girl is ready. Woo! We are going to explore Goa. I guess the cruise will leave from here in the evening 7 p.m. So उसके पहले हम लोग जाके घूम के आएंगे. But look at me and look at my outfit. Thanks. Do mention in the comment section सबसे अच्छा outfit आपको कौन सा लगा मेरा. I like this one. Bye. Before leaving the cruise, we thought of having lunch. Let's go and explore Goa by cruise for some time. Now, let's see. हम लोग गोवा में we have 5 hours. So let's see which all places we can explore. But यहाँ से पास में there's a Biana beach where we are going. वहाँ पे शायद सारे water sports है और there are some restaurants. So let's see. This is the closest beach from the port. Biana beach करके है. So we do have water sports there. So there's a small surprise which my fiance has planned for my parents. So let's see their reaction.
मेरा पिया घर।
Such a cute surprise planned by him. Meet you soon. Bye. Hey yaar, so we are back. It's 7 p.m. और हम लोग अभी फिर से क्रूज के अंदर जा रहे हैं. And you have to be on time, guys. मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा strict rules है, so you must follow it. Hello, I'm back and you can see the tanning. बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा किया हम लोगों ने बीच पे. So for you as well, if you are like exploring Goa, go to the nearby beaches because अगर आप दूर वाली beaches जाओगे, so it doesn't make any sense. आपको traveling में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा time चला जाएगा. So we went to a Bogalama beach, which is very nice, which is very the water was very clean, and yeah, that's how you spend time in Goa. And now just waiting for the sail away party from Goa to Mumbai. So just wait. The exclusive theatre shows are happening on the cruise daily, so don't miss it. And also these are inclusive in your packages. So after show you must enjoy the musical night with the orchestra. So let's wait. I'm gonna show you how the lobby looks in night. And here you go. To be honest, I love the night view because of the lightnings and yeah, of course, the bullet lift. So it's 1:30 and we asked the DJ to play the music. Hey, yeah, so I'm done with the night routine. Now I'm going to my bed. Tomorrow whole day we will be on cruise. So it's a sailing day. आपको बताऊंगी मैं what all activities we are doing on the 3rd day. Till then, bye, good night. Everyday new breakfast. How amazing is this? Plus tea with this view. And you can see on deck 10 there's an activity which is going on. Alright, outfit for the day. And I am looking amazing. Okay, so I forgot my glass. How romantic is this? Oh my god. Let me cover the cruise area which I haven't covered yet. So I'm on the deck 6 where you have casino over here. Then you have a surfing area over here. Deck 6 is very beautiful. जहाँ पे आप लोग बहुत सारे pictures, photographs निकाल सकते हो because it has open spaces. Then we have connections. This connection room has many activities running. So let's go. यहाँ पे मैं डांस एक्टिविटीज ओके बहुत ज़्यादा ही बड़ा पोपट हो गया. आई थॉट इट वाज अ डांस वर्कशॉप फॉर ऑल द टीम्स बट इट वाज फॉर किड्स. बाय. मैं खुद ही अपने रील्स बना के डांस करूँगी. बाय. 6th deck we have challenges video arcade. You can come with your kids. यहाँ पे प्ले स्टेशन, वीडियो गेम्स, ऐसी बहुत सारी एक्टिविटीज यहाँ पे हैं. On deck 6, you will find this hidden area. So you can see, this is the front portion of the ship. So we are going on the bridge tour.
Together, you have to follow the line, no video please. And
So it was really worth it. Bridge tour is all about the functionality of the ship. कैसे ship कहाँ से चलता है. And we met the captains over here. They are so polite. We really enjoyed this tour. So मुझे cruise की एक बात बहुत अच्छी लगी. There are so many activities for couples, group, kids, which will help you to explore new people. You meet new people, you enjoy with them, and that's all we need on a vacation. We are doing a fake celebrity entry and oh my god, this was so much fun. We are going to watch burlesque, which is 18 plus show. So here we go.
यही वाली थी.
So every age group is welcome on this cruise and this is the best thing. And I'm enjoying my musical night with my nanny. So this is how I spent my 3 days at cruise. It was really worth it. I'm gonna miss it for sure. Hey, yeah, good morning Mumbai. So we have reached Mumbai at 7:45. Also make sure आपको सुबह 7:30 को ही आपका रूम पूरा क्लीन करना पड़ता है. I just came here for the video shooting. I'm gonna miss this room. Oh my god. Bye.